Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss a beautiful part of the mechanical engineering. This is Professor R. Surendran from Government College of Technology, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. So we are having metals alloys. It is broadly metal is classified in metal or alloys broadly classified into ferrous and non-ferrous alloy. Again, ferrous is classified into steel into cast iron. When the carbon percentage is less than 2%, it is called a steel. When it is more than 2%, it is called cast iron. The steel is further classified into low alloy steel and high alloy steel. In low alloy steel, we are having low carbon steel and medium carbon steel and high carbon steel. So this high alloy steel is classified into tool steel and stainless steel. Again, low carbon steel is divided into plain steel and high strength alloy. Medium carbon is divided into plain steel and heat treatable. High carbon is divided into plain and tool steel. So that when the carbon percentage is more than 2%, it is called as cast iron, 2 to 6.67. So we are having gray cast iron, ductile cast iron, white cast iron, malleable cast iron. This ductile cast iron also called as nodular cast iron. So these are some of the important material we should remember for the category of ferrous material. Thank you, champions.